my name is Jean, and I will show you how to hide your subscribers count on YouTube. Pretty simple, right? Please follow me step by step. You go, let's say you are in the explore page, right? Right here. And all you have to do is click on that little logo right here with your first name top right corner. There we go, your initial. So you just click where it says YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio, once you get here, you're just going to click on settings. And then you go where it says channel. You want to select the advanced settings right here. And you scroll down. You see where it says subscriber count? Display the number of people subscribing to my channel is the one you want to unselect right here. And then the last steps, you just have to click save. That's it. That's how you hide your subscribers count on YouTube.